Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And our recipe that I'll be sharing you today is homemade milk tea. I know we are all craving for milk tea. And since most of the milk tea shops were closed and we can't go out, maybe it's time for us to learn how to make homemade milk tea. Also today, I will be teaching you how to make tapioca pearls from scratch. However, this is not going to be your typical black pearls because I really can't find that black food color. So I'm just gonna call it not so black pearls. Let's not wait any longer. Let's check out the ingredients. Tapioca starch, black tea, fresh milk, white sugar, brown sugar, and coffee liquid food flavor. watching this video, and for the complete recipe details, you can check on the video description. And for your comments or any suggestion or clarification, just type in below. And of course, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure to click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a video. And please like and follow us on our Facebook page, and you can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check out more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye! Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.